One of my favorite things about Android is the ability to easily use external hard drives. Whether it's for watching movies on a plane or quickly moving photos and videos from your phone to a drive, this is a great way to essentially turn your phone into a little computer. You're going to want to use a low-power solid-state drive. Those are fast and they work the best. Older spinning HDD drives usually don't get enough power from your phone and therefore don't work very well, if at all. On my Samsung phone, all I need to do is plug in the drive and I'm good to go, but some Android phones require you to first toggle on the OTG setting. OTG stands for USB on the go, and some manufacturers require you to enable it before your phone can read external drives. So if your phone doesn't recognize the drive, go to your settings and look for OTG connection toggle. When I plug in my drive, I get a notification saying external storage was added. I can open it from here and quickly access whatever is on my drive. I have some movies here, and I can play those movies on my phone directly off the drive. This same thing works on Android tablets too, by the way, so you can use the same drive for your phone and tablet. If you're using your phone for other stuff and need to access the drive again, you'll do that through your file browser. Mine is under Samsung's My Files app here. I can easily access my internal storage, memory card, and the external drive. This is also where I could move files from my internal storage to the drive, or vice versa. You'll want to make sure your drive is using the exFAT file system. Drives formatted to Apple's file systems, for example, will not work. And an older file system like FAT32 does work, but limits individual files to 4 GB or less. When you're done with your drive, you can select it in your file browser and then tap the 3 dots up top to unmount it. Unmounting before unplugging the drive is always recommended. If you happen to unplug the drive while your phone is actively using it, there's always a risk of corrupted files and data loss. So that's how you use an external drive with your Android phone. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.